Unboxing videos, da 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 da, let's begin. Part 6. Now, let's see what we are unboxing today. Something in a plain brown wrapper. And bubble wrap. Bye-bye, Bucks. All right. It looks like we've got a two-way rewinder and forward device with tape eraser for both VHS and beta. Now, I am going to see... Oh, look. See, there's a switch here. With this switch, you see the outer side is for VHS and the inner side is for beta. Right, now let's see if this thing works. All right, so to begin with, this thing has an eject stop button, which opens the lid here, and the fast forward and rewind button, you press inward and it fast forwards, see? And outward, it rewinds. And there's also a little erase feature here, which I don't think I'll be using. So I'm just going to leave it off. And so now I'm going to see if it works on fast forwarding and rewinding either kind of tape. Oh, rewinding, it's a little bit slow. It's not going now. There we go. Now we're going to put it in fast forward mode and see if that works. Okay, there we go. That's the part that seems to be working. All right, now I'm going to, come on, come out. Thank goodness. Now I'm going to test it on this beta tape here. So now I'm going to switch it to beta mode. It's a little slow. Seems to work though. Let's see if it rewinds. Okay. Oh, damn it. So it's okay with fast forwarding, but with rewinding a beta tape, probably not so much. But then again, maybe I can try another one. Why won't you go down? What is up with this? The things are in the right place. Maybe they need to be closer together. I don't know. Now. Okay. Hey. Now we're fast forwarding. Rewinding. It's a little slow, but it still seems to work. I wonder if that was the issue with the other one. Let's see. All I needed to do was just take these reels and just these spools and just sort of push them closer together for beta mode. Okay. What do you know? It's actually going. And if you push it down, it goes a little faster, I guess. I'll probably need something to weigh it down. All right. So, one of the inner workings of this machine is that it has a metal spring that is supposed to reach into the spring mechanism here that releases the reels on a VHS cassette. Now, this is something that beta tapes don't have. However, it's important that the spring has a little rubber cover over it, a condom, if you will, to protect the spring so that it doesn't snag on this release mechanism and get tangled in it, and it'll get stuck, and then the spring will get bent out of shape, and it'll be awfully hard to repair or replace. Anyway, this machine has been kept in good condition, it seems, and so I'd say this was a somewhat successful buy. I'll just see if it works in the next few months. Fingers crossed. Until next time, see you later.